welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. My name is Camille Hudgens, aka Millie K. I did not mean to put on my whole government. From the title, you already know what this video is going to be about. An unboxing from BoxyCharm. This one is my gifted box. This one is my subscription box. It's so tiny. I know you're wondering why I'm posting on Self-Care Sundays. It's because most of the things that I got in my box is skincare, especially for my gifted box. They're both a base box. The box size doesn't really matter. It just depends on, you know, the products that's in it. In this one, my subscription box, I got some skincare. I got one hair care and the rest was makeup products, and the package, the products was really small, so therefore a small box. This one, on the other hand, the gifted box, has a lot of skincare. I got 2 items that were makeup products, and the packaging for those products were big, so therefore a big box. I'm gonna start off with the subscripted box first because that's all little. I did get 2 products that were in the same box, which was the $1 Billion Brows. I got that in my subscription box, and then I got it in my gifted box, which was, you know, kind of cool because now I got 2 eyebrow pencils that I really needed. So for the theme is fantasy. I tried to do a, you know, a fantasy look. If you want to see how I created that look, it's there on my channel. Go look for it. I'll put the description in the link. I'll put the link in the description. So stupid. I got a bronzer palette. It's not really bronzer. It's like a contour powder palette, if I should say. This came in my shade. How they get my shade, I customize my shade on my portal in the BoxyCharm website, and they'll give you products that's close to your shade color, or that is your shade color. Depending on what you put on the page, you know, they're gonna give you what they give you, but you want it to be in your color, so yeah, go fill that out. But this is so pretty. You have Ova Maroon. Oh my god, what is it? That's not older. This is Golden Hour. You got Golden Hour. You have Cinnamon Sugar and Ova Marina. That's what it's called. And this one is worth, if you will buy it without the box, will be $25. This whole little thing is $25, and this whole box of goodies is $25 a month. So this is a good buy. I have the Detox Hair Serum. It's for your scalp, so if you have any type of problem areas like dandruff, dry scalp, all that of that nature, it always starts at the root of your hair, you know? That one's worth is $79. This by itself is $79 by itself. Come on, girl. Get you BoxyCharm. Next, we have the Infused Eye Serum by Mudmasky. It says moisturizer boost, vitamin boost, feeding, nourishing, and firming the eye area. So if you got the, you know, the crow area here, you need this. And this by itself is $63. They giving you expensive stuff. Then the last item that I got in my subscription box is, well, not the last, but you know, is the golden, is it? Grande Glow. It's a pumping liquid highlighter, and it's so pretty. It go on right here. Right here it go on. I'm not wearing it. I forgot to put it in my video, but yeah. I'll wear it in another video, but this is really cute. And then of course I got the $1 Billion brows in the color taupe or taupe. That's what it looks like. It really gave me y'all some expensive stuff for $25 a month. And you can skip months as well if you know your budget is a little low. Now time for the gifted box. Gifted by BoxyCharm. Some of these stuff I'm gonna give in my giveaway, so be on the lookout. This is the box that had a lot of skincare, so if you are looking for some skincare products, here's some right here. This one is Dermalec Outcreasing Ritual Serum for the fine lines and wrinkles. This one by itself is $39. Like $39. And it's in this cute, sleek box. Remind you, if you're looking for any new skincare products, look at this video because I'm gonna put you on. I'm gonna put you on. The Pharmacy Whipped Greens Oil-Free Foaming Cleanser. I actually used this myself before getting it, and let me tell you, girl, my skin has been right. But due to the fact that, you know, it's a little pricey, it's $28. I don't be getting it as often. It looks like here. We have hydrating Mara algae eye patches from Generation Skin. I'm not gonna open the package because I'm gonna give this away in my giveaway, but it is basically a jelly that you put on your eye. It's an eye patch, but it's like a jelly type. So if this is gonna be included in your Sunday skincare Sunday, self-care Sundays, I would really get this one. And this one goes for $49.99. $50. $50. This area $50, so it possibly work good if it's expensive. Just saying. And this is the box that my $1 Billion brow came in. I'm not gonna give this away because I'm gonna keep it, and then I don't want to give it away because I don't know your color. So did mine right here. And the last in the box is beauty blenders. This one is for $25. M2U NYC. It's so cute. I'm gonna give this away in my giveaway because I have a whole lot of beauty blenders and I don't know where to put these. So yeah, so all of this is in the base box for $25 a month. I don't know if you guys remember the prices that I was like throwing out there, but that's of course over $25 in this box. It's like $200 possibly. But you know, if you want to get some new skincare, these are it. But yeah, everything that you see in this video is going to be in the description. Make sure that you subscribe if you already didn't. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. Until next unboxing video, or next video, of course. Until next time. Bye, friends.